welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is fine. Anyone new who are watching for the first time, this YouTube channel is all about the recent job notifications, internships, and all the updates of the company's hiring process will be posted here so that you'll never miss any opportunity to get you placed. So coming to today's opportunity, it is Meesho Open Campus Recruitment for 2025 passed out and also 2024 batch students also. The role is of SDE Trainee and location is at Bangalore. Let me discuss all the details of this Open Campus Recruitment program so that you'll be clear about this particular opportunity. Firstly, we'll talk about the job description. Coming to job description, you must join for an 6 months SDA traineeship at Meesho. So what you'll receive is you'll receive monthly stipend of rupees 1 lakh while gaining hands-on experience in software development. This is in the Bangalore campus, and also you must be work at the office for at least 3 days in a week. So based on the performance during this particular role at Meesho, you will be successfully converted into full-time employee with the salary of 20 LPA plus fixed benefits. This is really a very good opportunity. People who are unplaced or still you are placed also, please try to apply this Meesho opportunity so that you may have chance to selected in this particular program, and you can earn up to 1 lakh for every month in internship and 20 LPA as your salary later full-time conversion. This, the coming to your role as an SDE trainee, they are expecting you to be motivated in real life complex problems and creating compliance experience of your resellers. So you must be collaborate with teams to develop new features of Meesho customers and suppliers, and you must be state of art technologies and write highly performant code, and you must be end-to-end ownership of features from ideation to production. And the technical requirement they're expecting as 0 to 1 year of experience and strong problem skills and excellent understanding in DSA and the space and time complexities and strong hands-on particular working experience with at least one programming language, that may be either Java or Python or JavaScript. And you must be excellent in coding skills also, so that you must be able to convert the required design into code. So this is all the requirement on the job description. Coming to eligibility criteria, you must be any of this part, be BTech, M.Tech candidate from computer science or information technology or any circuitous branches, or MCA candidate from graduation batch of 2024 and 2025. And also you must have no backlogs at the time of applying, and also the application portal will be open for limited time phrase. You can see the limited time phrase here, which is March 14, 2025. Until March 14, you can apply this. After that, it will be closed. So make sure if you are really interested, apply before March 14. And coming to next thing, selected candidates must be willing to relocate to Bangalore for the entire duration of training program, and also for eligibility students from 2025 batch, date of joining post selection would be immediate. So your current educational institute must provide permission for a full-time trainership also. So this will be very immediate position. So make sure that your college allows you to go or give the permission to attend this particular training program. And also you must not have participated in the Meesho on-campus recruitment process in last 6 months. If you receive Meesho on campus, or if you attended the on-campus drive, if it is finished before 6 months, then you can attempt in this offline also. If there is time phase of 6 months still completed, then you can't apply this. If you are from 2024 batch, if selected, you would be required to join as the earliest, and also you must have not participated in any Meesho lateral hiring process in last 6 months as well. So basically they are asking you for immediate joining, and you must not have any participated in this Meesho campus hiring before 6 months, even though you are 2025 or 2024 passed out. Coming to hiring process, round one will be screening, that is resume screening will be done. So based on your resumes, they will be shortlisted. Once you are shortlisted in resume screening round, then you will be going to an online coding test. Once you pass the round two, you'll move into the round three, that is technical interview, which is virtual interview with technical panel areas SSS like system design, coding, debugging. Round four is a hiring manager interview, that is virtual interview with hiring manager areas. It will be based on problem solving, system designing, and cultural fit time. And also they're given the duration also. First online test will be 105 minutes, second third interview will be 90 minutes, and the fourth round interview will be 45 minutes. uh, this is all about the hiring process. And if I can see you the event timelines, it is opened at 27th February and it ends at 14th March. And once you're selected or shortlisted or not shortlisted, they will be given as a mail at 21st March. Once you receive this, you'll be having test at 22nd, and your communication test will be at 24th March, and the interviews will be at 4th April to 11th April, and the offer letter will roll out at 12th April. This is all about the timelines of this particular role. I hope everything is clear to you. I'll say you within a short line that 2024 and 2025 batch can apply this. Once you are selected, you will get a 1 lakh per month for the intern period, and then for full-time employee you will be converted into 20 LPA. So this is the best opportunity that Meesho is providing. So make sure you edit your resume with the key responsibilities and roles, what are they looking for. Please include all those skills you have which suitable for this particular role, so that ATS will identify your resume and make that selected in this particular, so that it is a very good opportunity. I hope you'll never miss that. If you have any doubts that what are the key responsibilities should I mention in the resume, I am here to help you. Please let me in the comment section. I'll help you for sure. Thank you. All the best. I'll share this link in the description. Do check out and apply now as soon as possible.